Hello. So in the first ever code that we wrote with the Hello World in the previous video, you noticed that when we printed Hello World, there was an additional percentage sign that was appearing after the Hello World string. So to demonstrate that, let me run it once again for you. G++, first program CPP. That's how we compile, and now we can execute it. Right. So I'm talking about this additional percentage character that you are noticing over here. So I thought, let me explain why this is happening and before proceeding to the further concepts. So uh, the problem here is that the terminal can be run with different types of shells. And currently what I have is the Z shell. That's the way Z shell works, because when you have some print statement coming into the terminal and that doesn't have a new line character, like the way we saw in the previous video with std and L. So there is no std and L in this particular case. So there is no new line character, and the program terminates. So before returning the prompt, what's going to happen now is, after printing this line, the terminal has to return its prompt. It has to give me the next prompt back. So before it does that, the Z shell inserts this additional percentage over there, just to indicate that there is no new line that is being detected, and it is going to return the prompt now in the next line. Just to demonstrate this, if we have an end L, okay, this, you won't see this additional symbol. So let me rerun it once again, and now you do not see that kind of a symbol. So uh, now if I switch back to a different shell, instead of the Z shell, I have the bash shell over here. And let's see what happens if we do the same program with the bash shell. Okay, so G++, first program, PP, and that's how we compile. And now let's execute. So if you see in the case of the bash shell, you do not see that additional percentage symbol, but at the same time, the prompt is returned on the same line as that of our print statement. That's the difference between the bash and the Z shell, that the bash shell will print whatever we have asked it to print, and then it returns the prompt on the same line if we do not have a new line character. Whereas in the case of the Z shell, it will print whatever we have asked to print, and if there is no new line character that is detected, then it will insert that additional percentage symbol and then returns the prompt on the next line. So that's the explanation for the additional percentage that we were seeing. That's all in this video. Please comment if you have any further queries, else let's meet in the next video.